Have you ever wondered that you paid the price to fruit seller and he denies to give you fruits? The same feeling is getting when you put so much effort into knowing yourself, into putting hard work on your skill, and still after 2 3 years you are not getting that much return, like as compared to the creators or friends you are seeing around yourself and the life you are living. Most of the people I came across, and I find it that they really had their own way and their own processes which they can easily follow and get through the problems they are facing and gets their solution. But in my case, I know that I am hoping on one matter to another matter, from one skill to another skill, and it takes time to get mastery in all of that. But the main concern of mine is how people are figuring it out, and I can't, like, putting that many hours in a day. Let's say working on average 15 hours a day, you are learning something, and after 5 to 7 months you are still feeling like you are lagging behind from whole market that is currently being there and working lesser than you. I don't know how much truth uh, in this, but I really feel that I am working and giving similar effort to those people who are on the internet and doing things, but I am the only one not getting the result, and I'm still facing the largest problem. That this is Diwali 2025. Last day was the main Diwali day, and I came home after 5 months working and hard as my dash, and right now I am not getting paid for work which I put out there to from 16 to 17 hours, and we do not get any clarity from our senior that what to do, what not to do, and how the economy work there. If I get the client, then what should be the revenue share for them as well, and how can we proceed further. So it is literally difficult for me to understand, to trust people, and to trust them as well, because there is something in my mind currently that if somebody is working for free on the name of training, then there should be any factor of promise, or that we will give you or get you anything in return after x amount of time. Eventually you will get to hear a lot that you will get this, you will get this, but that's a emotional statement. And I got to know that you should be doing any documented or proper calculated a goal which can both my senior and me, for whom I am working right now and learning things, should be given a baseline where on the worst cases we get back to the things that we are working around, and we were working on it, and how much work I had put on their tasks and all. Right now I'm that's the thing, that right now I'm working that much and haven't earned any single penny. I know that skill is important, and I'm telling people around me as well that skill is the most important thing I'm getting to learn. But in the end, if you are not getting paid along with that, then what sort of skill am I getting? Because there are many people, like 8 to 10 people, and which should be scalable till now, but we are still stuck around 2 to 3 clients, and from those 3 clients I'm nearly handling 2 of them, like the execution part. So it seems like we are somewhere lagging behind, or uh, people are things people are taking things for granted, which seems a difficult phase for me, that should I really put out this much effort in creating and completing my task, because it's difficult. Without navigation, I won't be going anywhere. And I am afraid, literally afraid, that what if I wasted my 1 year, 2 year of the freedom I have been provided by my family. My father says usually that, beta, don't get stressed so much about earning money. You do whatever you wanted. We also have shop if you wanted to run. But I don't just want to stay stuck to my shop, because my childhood has been spent there a lot. Right now, currently, after 22 years, I have the freedom to sit here without asking from my family that I am going somewhere, and without asking my father that, do I need to come to shop, because I am on my vacation for 3-4 days. That's why I get these free time, and I literally don't even know that when the heck I get such time from my life, because it is so much happening everywhere. Like, I come home, there are so many chores of home and of the shop. When I go to Bhopal, when I go to Noida as well, there are literally, I am fogged up and pumped up from my all tasks that I need to do. And it is really scary that a person who believes in only eating, earning the bread, and living a philosophical life without wanting any luxury of Rolls Royce or Ferrari, or wanting a big bungalow, is slightly transforming right now. And I am literally trying to understand myself, because my values are changing by time. That I wanted to earn money, I wanted to earn more money. And yesterday my mom was telling me, beta, you only need 2 times of food to survive, then why are you stressing this much? Then I told her that, mom, we only need 2 rupees for ourselves to feed, but needed 2000 for the society to show. She simply laughed on it, and I also stayed silent on that. But literally felt that, we are running, I am personally running for all this chaos and all these goals, aspirations, mostly for my society to show. Because I don't want it to be called a unemployed person, or a unemployed son, or a irresponsible man of my family. So I had to earn extra to showcase. And I guess that's why we call this Kalyug, because we know that life could be easy, but we eventually make it hard, so that we can get respect from our society. That, oh my god, he is earning this much, he is a big personality. Right now I am not earning, then I can see people's faces turning back on me. Because before this 5 months of free work, I was earning around 35,000 per month by creating content like such. And getting into the Midas has completely stopped my this interaction from the camera, from you people. So decided to tell my stories, tell my work philosophies, tell my mental breakdowns. And currently I am literally fucking feeling like a loser. I hope that I'll make it through, and I'll be sitting for next 30 minutes here and spend some time, because I need so much clarity. I am very fucked up, because I wanted to start my UGC content creator agency, but stuck that if you have a people of 10 to 15 people, and having a procedure for editing podcasts, then why not continuing on that? But I don't know that what I should do, because agency should be run by a freelancer who has much work from by getting from his or her own skills, and not like the agency cold pitching to the several different fucking companies to provide their services, like for automobile, for personal hygienes and all. Bro, keep it simple. And why not niching down to just podcasting? No, but my senior wanted much revenue out of that, and hence wanted to scale on different niches. Instead, my advice would be to getting single focused aim for the podcasting as well. I'm literally, my brain is currently over processing things, and I am into the overthinking stage of my life. Yeah, my life, because it seems like all the ways are closed in front of me, in front of my face. The people I saw that are creating content very well and now niching down their services like video editing and all from their content and selling themselves on the highest levels. I literally feels jealous about them, that how do they fucking cracked it. And literally I have no way in front of me right now. This is an unended video or a self vlog. If you guys are watching this, thanks for watching till the end. And I hope you are not facing such problems, or will be eventually getting easily through that, because in the end of the tunnel there is light, and that is the single hope I can bring with myself. And yeah, that's a single support system for me right now, because I can't share with my family as well at this particular point. Bye.